Hey, what's up guys? So I've got another watch face to review in this video, and this one is once again from this developer called USA, and the name of the watch face is Sunday Tiles. So what is different in this watch face? It's how it's presented. So here you can see that the date is presented in a way of a conversation. It's Monday 04. So that's the date, and then we've got time in big blocky numbers, and then below that we've got these different banners here. So we have got battery, steps, and we have heart rate with these really cute graphics, give it very colorful look. So that's the aesthetics, and now let's take a look at how the always on display version of this watch face looks. So everything goes dark, you can still see all the details here, and there is another version of this always on display, and we'll just go ahead and take a look at it as well. If we go in customization now, I would like to see what customize options it provides us. So we have got styles, decoration, leading zero, separator. So we'll go through all of this, always on display, color, and complications. So let's see what all of these different customization options are about. So let's go through some of these different styles. And when you change the styles, the color of these banners down below also change. Then we have decoration. So in decoration, you can see that there are different patterns that appear on these banners down below. So that is another element of how you can customize this watch face. Okay, I really like this one. And then we've got separator, so this dot in the time, so you can get 2 dots or 1 dot, it's up to you. And then minimal AOD, so it doesn't show up here, but it will show up when we turn on the always on display on this watch face, and we'll go through that in a minute. Then we have got colors for the hour, so you can choose different colors here. And finally we have complications. So if we go in complications, you can see that we can select from a lot of options here for complications. So press OK, and there you go, the watch face changes completely. Now let's take a look at what was that always on display about. So there you go, with that second option that we chose, everything else vanishes and we just get time in color format. So that's about it, everything else just goes black in that second always on display option that we chose. And then we've got this beautiful dotted pattern in the banners below, give it a bit more texture and bit more character. So that's about it from the aesthetics and customizations options of this watch face. Once again, a really cool watch face, something different from a regular that is available on the Play Store. Definitely check this one out. I will put the links of these watch faces in the description below, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.